How big it is. So this is the CEO. You know? Are you seeing? Today's one is ready. You know? So tomorrow. So guys, we are still in Campo Galeone. All this place is zone industrial. We have fabric, a factory over here. Are you see? So guys, the first batch is ready. So today I made 25 pieces. Then tomorrow, being Saturday, I'll be making 40 pieces. You know, this one, the one I'm taking to Nigerian market. You know. So let me show you. Like that's the video. Not that too crunchy, you know. Let me open one for you guys to see. It's hot too. Oh yeah. Can you see it? It's very hot. So guys, then I still have 15 pieces here. Yeah. So right now I will go and open door for my mother. Then when I come down, I will get the Alex ready to school. Daddy will take him. Then I will go to work. When I'm done, I'll be taking my miss bike to Nigeria markets. You want to do? Clock is period. Today's one is ready. You know. So tomorrow. Let's go. I'm done. Bye. So guys, I'm going to Modena with boss. Vado a consegnare il mio meat pie in African shop in Niger market. So this is my boss over there. I make it. Here we have bus stop. So guys, this is the hotel where I'm working before. Best West, and also a restaurant. So guys, we are still in Campo Galeone. All this place is zone industrial. We have fabric, a factory come over here. Are you see? So let's keep on going. I will show you all our city today. Siba in Jamodena in the Gusumifa. You know, for see Bubu. Summertime now, if you do war fruits. Fina Bubu, I could see you, let's chase the time here. You was young. So guys, we are now in Modena. Eba word ebe in news at Chimitel. So Bhutan, we are not in Modena. We are no longer in Campo Galliano. So here we have McDonald's. Go slow. Traffic. Little traffic. So we will have another bus stop. After this bus stop will be our bus stop, final bus stop. So guys, we are almost the blue bus. Blue bus is final bus stop. So it's going to turn. So guys, it's we're not in blue bus. Are you see? Final bus stop. Our driver drives so good. Okay, continue watching. Guys, from here now, I'm going to take another bus 7. You know, so that place there is another bus stop. I'll take bus 7 that will be taking me to Grandchi. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Thanks for watching till now. Guys, I'm inside the bus 7 because of there is children in the bus. That's why I did not vlog when I enter inside the bus. This is stationary train. So now we are going to Grandchi. It's going to turn. Yes. This is Niger market. So here they have pharmacy. This is the shop. Can you see? See how big it is. So this is the CEO. You know? Can you see? Hey, see Mommy Manuel. No, not live video, normal video. See my Yoruba friend. I'm okay. Can you see? This is Miss Session. Feeding up on the bank. So guys, I just bought my machine. So thanks for watching. So guys, we really have first. I don't even know the first. What kind of first, Abu? So we are going to see what they are doing, but Daddy is there already. So me and Anthony will just finish our appointment. We are going to see him. Surprise! He don't know that Chinedu is coming though. Wow, que beleza! So guys, they are outside, you know. I can't take children there. Wow. Wow. Wow, que belle. So right now they are taking their Miranda. Carrie.